Oh my gosh, it's been a minute since I actually sat down in this chair. Yo, what is up guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and in today's video, you already saw the title, I'm gonna be unboxing a case for my Apple Watch, but a little backstory first. So, as an Apple Watch user, I think it's a Series 1, it's an Apple Watch Sport, but I've owned it for about a few years now, and I can say this thing is excellent. I love it. I have like no regrets about buying it, but the one gripe that I actually have about this thing is the fact that like it's very fragile, and I'm afraid that if I keep dropping it, it's gonna break, and that's literally the whole reason why I got the LunaTik EPIK rugged protection for Apple Watch. Well, that's a long name. Whenever I take my Apple Watch off, basically, I'll put it up somewhere like my locker at school, and whenever I come back and I'll be like pulling my clothes and stuff out of my locker, this Apple Watch has actually fallen on the ground. If I keep pulling it out of my locker and it keeps falling, eventually it's gonna crack and break. Luckily, it only just got a teeny tiny crack in it, so I'm grateful for that. So I thought it was a worthy investment to go ahead and buy one of these. Now this case is not going to be the prettiest in the world. A lot of people probably aren't going to like it just with how big and bulky it is, but if you're that type of person that wants the most protection or the best protection that you can get, this is the way to go. This is actually an open box return, so I'm not sure if this is the original packaging that it came with or if there's anything missing inside of it, but everything looks to be the way it should. But I just want to let you guys know that this is the shell that you're gonna sit your Apple Watch in. There's screws in it, so you have to unscrew the screws and then put your Apple Watch in and then tighten it back to close it. And then there should be some paperwork and like a tool in here. This tool does not want to come out. Oh crap. Let's see if I can just pry it out of here. Alright, it just slipped right out. That's good. Here we have the tools, like I said. So it's just like a little tiny Allen wrench. Just gonna unscrew that. Oh, this might take some time. There's one screw. You see, when you have big hands, it doesn't make it very easy. Oh no! You see that? I always drop stuff. If that screw would have fell, oh my gosh. Especially on this carpet, I would have been so heated. You pretty much are just gonna slide the main Apple Watch unit into this case. So I'm guessing we can't use these bands no more, and you literally have to use this one. Gonna slide that out. There's one, there's two, and then as you guys can see, this is, let's see if I can get this focus. That's basically like the little tiny unit. It's really tiny, really small. Oh, you want to make sure that you line it up right, because the sides where like the scroll wheel are have their own knob and button for it, so you want to make sure you press that on. And the last thing that we should pretty much have to do is just tighten it up, and then that should be pretty much it. Oh my gosh, go on. Ugh. And then also in the instructions, it also says do not over tighten, because you don't want to strip the screws. But once you get everything on there, it should be pretty much good. And then this is what the final thing should look like. And there you guys have it. The Apple Watch is now inside of the LunaTik case. The only other case that I think would even come close to with how big and chunky this thing is probably like the Catalyst case, and that's a waterproof case, so it has like a full 360-degree seal, which is amazing. I wanted that one, but those were like almost 50 bucks, and this one was an open box, so I went with it. I actually like it. This is kind of my style. I kind of like the bulkiness and the look that it has to it, and I know that my Apple Watch is not going to be breaking no time soon in this thing. I mean, that's pretty much it. Literally, it's just a case for your Apple Watch. There's nothing too special to it, but I'm glad that I got it. I think it was a solid investment. I really hope that you enjoyed this little quick video that I put together with me getting my new Apple Watch case. And if you were interested in getting this watch, if I can find the link to it, if I can, I'll drop it in the description below. Also, not a bad unboxing experience. I like the fancy magnet that they added to it. I don't know, I think I'm just being childish at this point. But either way, thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Why not? I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh my God. Y'all are so lucky. I love y'all. I forgot to get B-roll. So, oh my God, you're lucky I love y'all. I would just say no B-roll, only A-roll. Y'all lucky I love y'all, man. Jamel and Ileana. I know I had the sticker on the entire video. I'm finally gonna take it off. Let's see if I can make this satisfying. Hold on. I'm gonna get close to the microphone just for you. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? If you're wondering why I have this bottle in here, it's just to make myself look more fancy.